Welcome back, guys! Today we have an incredibly Middle Eastern treat. Guess what? Get ready, because today we have a super creamy and full of proteins hummus for champions! I hope you will enjoy! Mwah.
The day before, take 500 grams dried chickpeas and soak them in water overnight. Once our chickpeas are hydrated, we can start the cooking process. In a deep pot, heat up plenty of water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the chickpeas and allow to cook for at least 45 minutes or until very soft. As soon as the scum starts coming up to the surface, skim it, as these are impurities that we don't want. Once ready, strain them and let them cool down. In the meantime, we need 1 clove of garlic, remove the germ and chop it. Then add it into a blender. Now squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the blender and mix it very well.
Super tip!
Allow this to macerate for 10 minutes. This will help to soften up the raw garlic flavor.
Let's mix it all up!
In a food processor, add the chickpeas, the mix of lemon and garlic, 65 grams of sesame paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Let's start by mixing everything for 45 seconds. Then add 4 tablespoons of icy water and mix it for 60 seconds. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and continue mixing until very soft and creamy. If the hummus is still too thick, add more icy water.
Yummy and creamy!
Now finish this super creamy and tasty hummus with olive oil, chopped parsley, some whole chickpeas, and a bit of paprika.
And now the moment of the truth! Taste time! And voila!